Hello, good evening guys. So, I would like to say thank you to the food section. Grabe, the best tayo ng ang service. And, you know, the setup,
Nindot kaya ang
the
setup.
design, the aesthetic. We are so satisfied customers. So, you know,
Great service,
great
quality
service kayo.
service.
5-star, grabe.